Here are the top 10 signs you may be falling out of love. 1. You're bored, and the romantic butterflies have been replaced by total apathy. 2. You feel a massive wave of relief the exact moment they leave the house. 3. Your interest in them sexually has plummeted, making things feel way more platonic than romantic. 4. They barely cross your mind when they're gone, and you realize you don't actually miss them. 5. You aren't proud of them and find yourself constantly rolling your eyes at their hobbies and ideas. 6. Your partner's once adorable quirks have officially become pet peeves. 7. You keep secretly comparing them to your friends' partners or your exes. 8. You text about logistical chores but stop sharing your actual day. 9. You actively dodge making future plans because you can't envision them by your side. 10. You constantly complain and vent to others about their character flaws. Recognizing these signs may give you the clarity to either reignite the flame or let it go.